This is it. This is the day. Leaving today. I'm leaving Cape Town today. I know that there's a lot of people I didn't get a chance to chat to. A lot of people that wanted to see me in the last couple of days, and I'm in a hole. I think it's a hole. The last 2 weeks were freaking hectic, but
you're murdering me.
What's wrong, man? Yeah, I'm over your shoulder, dude.
So we had to borrow a pair of scissors.
Yeah, because they're not allowed to cut knives here.
Yeah, because you wrap this thing up. Oh wow, this is
Also the... Is that HD? Oh my god.
Is that what's inside here?
Just move that leg, pretend like it hurts. Fuck, please, bro. Don't finish, bro. Please, please. What do you mean? They wouldn't put a hike where?
Like on the road.
Listen, me boy.
Okay. Sean, what are we getting?
You're getting 1 kg ribs, wings, and chips.
Okay. Everything's sorted now, I think. I hope. There's not. Yeah, so today I am packing the last of my stuff, which is really just a pillow. I need to get my pillow into my bag. It's proved quite tricky. And then we're off to Dublin, and you're coming with. Cheers, Will. Bye, Will. Bye. Yeah. Transfer between flights. What? Oh, lovely. Hey! Hi! Hi! Do you remember? Bye. You know, I love how people come to Africa and then they're like, do you have lawns, bro? What the hell is that? What?
That's not even a big one. You're gonna make us like your normal service.
Yep. Maybe is that what you get when I ask you for stuff?
Open tea pain.
Look, what is this? Hot chocolate?
No, it's just coffee.
Why? I can see the cinnamon in there.
No, it's just like a young, like...
That's
it's cocoa dusting.
places in Cape Town. Alles looks.
You're getting